Hello everyone, we the students of class 9B of Kendriya Vidyalaya ISP Nehru Nagar Nashik Road are going to present our English subject art integrated project under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program on the topic of temples of Odisha state. Let's explore about it.
Loknath Temple. Puri Loknath Temple is a Hindu temple situated in the town of Puri, Odisha, India. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. According to history, the lingam in this temple was established by Lord Rama. Unique feature is that the Shiva Linga is always underwater, which substantiates the legend that goddess Ganga flows through the top of the Shiva Linga as a stream. The festival that is celebrated with great fervor and pomp is the Saranti Somvar fair, while devotees believe that the Shiva Linga has powers to cure diseases after seeking the darshan of Lord Shiva. The Utsav Murti of Loknath is kept inside the Jagannath temple, Puri. He is the guardian deity of all the treasures and jewelry of Lord Jagannath. This temple is one of the 5 famous Shiva temples of Puri. Alarnath Temple. Alarnath Temple or Alarnath Temple is a temple dedicated to Vishnu and located in Brahmagiri, Odisha, near Puri. It becomes crowded during the Krishna Paksha of Ashadha after the Sanayatra when Lord Jagannath cannot be seen in Puri. During this period, popularly known as Ansara or Anavarsara, literally meaning no opportunity to see the Lord of Puri. Instead of having darshan in Jagannath temple, people believe that Lord Jagannath during this time manifest as Alarnath Dev at the Alarnath temple in Brahmagiri, which is about 23 km. Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century CE Sun Temple at Konark, about 35 kilometers northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha, India. The temple is attributed to King Narsimha Deva of the Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 CE. Dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya, what remains of the temple complex as the appearance of a 100-foot high chariot with immense wheels and horses, all carved from stone. Once over 200 feet high, much of the temple is now in ruins. In particular, the large Shikara tower over the century at one time, this rose much higher than the mandapa that remains. The structures and elements that have survived are famed for their intricate artwork, iconography, and themes, including erotic Kama and Mithuna scenes. Also called the Surya Devalaya, it is classic illustration of the Odisha style of architecture or Kalinga architecture. The cause of destruction of the Konark temple is unclear and still remains a source of controversy. Theories range from natural damage to deliberate destruction of the temple in the course of being sacked several times by Muslim armies between the 15th and 17th centuries. This temple was called the Black Pagoda is European sailor accounts as early as 1676 because it looked a great tower which upright black. Similarly, the Jagannath temple in Puri was called the White Pagoda. Both temples served as important landmark for sailors in the Bay of Bengal. The temple that exists today was partially restored by the conservation efforts of British India era archaeological teams. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, it remains a major pilgrimage site for Hindus who gather here every year for the Chandrabhaga Mela around the month of February. Konark Sun Temple is depicted on the reverse side of the India currency note of rupees 10 to signify.
About the temple Sakhi Gopal. Sakhi Gopal is a small town located 20 km to the west of Puri. Is named after Lord Sri Krishna who presides over the temples as Sakhi Gopal. From the writings of King Prataparudra Deva recorded in Anantwaram, it's understood that his father Purushottam Deva had defeated King Narasimha of Karnataka and married his daughter Padmini and brought the deity of Sakhi Gopal to Cuttack. Subsequently, it was shifted from Cuttack to Jagannath Temple, Puri by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and after that the deity moved to its present location. The prasad offered at the temple is made of wheat, which is deviation from the traditional offering made of rice offered at other Krishna temples. The statue of Radha was added later.
Parshurameswara Temple. Parshurameswara Temple, also spelled Parshurameswara, located in the East Indian city of Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha, is considered the best preserved specimen of an early Odia Hindu temple, date to the Shalobhava period between the 7th and 8th centuries CE. The temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva and is one of the oldest existing temples in the state. It is believed to have been built around 650 CE in Nagara style and has all the main features of the pre-10th century Kalinga architecture style temples. The temple is one among the Parshurameswara group of temples. Parshurameswara temple have a Vimana, the sanctum, and a Bada, the curvilinear spire over its roof, rising to a height of 40.25 feet. It is the first temple to have an additional structure called Jagamohana, compared to the earlier temples that had only the Vimana. Though the temple is dedicated to Shiva, it contains sculpted images of Shakta deities, which are otherwise normally part of Shakta temples. The temple is the first in Bhubaneswar to contain depictions of Saptamatikas, namely Chamunda, Varahi, Indrani, Vaishnavi, Kumari, Shivani, and Brahmi. The temple is maintained and administered by the Archaeological Survey of India as a ticketed monument. Parshu Rashtami is the major festival celebrated in the temple during June-July every year. The temple is one of the most prominent tourist.
Odisha is popular for these ancient and esoteric temples. You can visit these temples for their spiritual significance and architecture. People from all over the world visit Odisha to explore the architecture.
Hello, I am Shraddha Kardak presenting my collage on the topic Temples of Odisha. So here I had taken some temples, names and their timings. First, Sun Temple 6 am to 8 pm. Then Loknath Temple 5 am to 12 pm, 4 am to 9 pm. Then 6 Alarnath Temple 6 am to 9:30 pm. At the last Parshurameswar Temple 6 am to 9 pm. So these are the names and timings of the temples in the Odisha. Thank you.
Konark Sun Temple is dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya. Alarnath Temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is situated in Brahmagiri. Parasurameswar Temple is located in the East India city of Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha. The temple is dedicated to Hindu.
Thank you to each one of you for completing the latest project, not only ahead of schedule but also under the budget. I appreciate the cooperation that everyone displayed under such strenuous conditions, which made the workflow simple and easy. I am glad that I have a team like you. Looking forward to the next project.